Alright, so what we have here is an Audi A7 2017. We put in a factory style rear camera and it's all going onto the original factory screen. Also included is CarPlay and Android Auto, fully integrated onto the original system. So as you can see, when I put into reverse, get the camera come up with full parking guidelines that move with the steering wheel and the parking sensors. So I'm going to show you the CarPlay system that's on here. So you can switch to the CarPlay system. Your original system stays intact completely, so that doesn't get taken out. So you can switch to the CarPlay system or Android Auto if you got an Android phone, and it will come up on the original screen. So you can get stuff like maps, Spotify and everything on here. Well, that's supported on your phone. So yeah, if you want this installed on your Audi, give us a shout on 0208 554 555. That's Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansel, IG2 6QA. Thank you.